Cities are not really synonymous to cleanliness, but the cities in this list are an uncommon sight and a dream come true for anyone. We all dream of living in a pollution-free and dirt-free environment, but few actually do something to reduce the wastage levels in their cities. Today is our list of top 10 cleanest cities in the world that are responsible and actively participate in the well-being of their environment. Number 10. Honolulu, Hawaii, USA. Honolulu is a favorite travel destination of many. People from all over the world come here for vacation to experience a different kind of world. One of the main reasons for this city being so clean is the responsible attitude of its locals. They never act indiscriminately and make a mess on the roads or the beaches. It has one of the cleanest beaches and also the purest air. Number 9. Oslo, Norway. Norway is one of the most responsible and active countries when it comes to environmental management such as pollution, wastage, garbage management. Because of the government's focus on a clean environment, it has many strict laws regarding pollution and environment. Companies are not allowed to create any polluting gases such as carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Number 8. Freiburg, Germany. As a popular tourist country, it is not easy to keep a city clean. But Freiburg does a good job at maintaining their peaceful and pollution-free environment. You will never see unnecessary and unsightly garbage on the road or any ruined and damaged property. Everything is very clean and beautiful to look at, giving the city a heavenly look overall. Number 7. Wellington, New Zealand. This city has one of the most beautiful architecture embedded in it. It has the prettiest and most colorful houses, which are very satisfying to take a look at. The city is not densely populated and there is a lot of space per square foot in the area. Due to the low population and good behaviors and attitudes of its locals, the city is completely pollution-free and also environment-friendly. Number 6. Kobe, Japan. It is a well-known fact that Japanese people are very disciplined and keep a serious and responsible attitude towards the cleanliness of the areas they live in. The locals here have been conditioned and cultured throughout their life to keep the places clean, and this is one of the main reasons for this being one of the cleanest cities in the world. Number 5. Singapore. Their much talked about city center and the airports are one of the cleanest places in the world. Tourists and other visitors often appreciate the level of cleanliness in the city. They have very strict laws regarding the disposal of waste and garbage collection. The pedestrians are not allowed to just dispose of their garbage wherever they like, unlike in other countries where pedestrians frequently trash the area irresponsibly. Number 4. Adelaide, Australia. Despite being the 5th most populous city in Australia and the immense level of tourism, this city has always been one of the cleanest and pollution-free cities. It has very efficient wastage management systems. This city also fosters positivism and good behavior in its locals, as it encourages its residents to give the items they don't need to charity rather than throwing them into garbage. Number 3. Luxembourg City. The beautiful capital of Luxembourg is filled with medieval castles and forests that become an attraction to tourists. The city actively engages in environment-friendly approaches, such as they constantly plant a high number of trees in their castles and take high care of their forests to keep them alive and fresh. Because of these efforts, the city has a very clear sky and pollution-free air. Number 2. Zurich, Switzerland. Switzerland is famous for caring about the well-being and living standards of its residents and constantly making efforts to improve this. The buildings and homes in Zurich are very clean and tidy, and even the public places, such as tourist attractions, streets and roads, are very clean. Number 1. Calgary, Canada. Calgary has a high number of trees and plants even in the most urbanized areas of the city, and this makes the city very eco-friendly and cleanest city in the world. The city has also launched many waste management programs as it continuously expands economically and also in terms of population. It constantly makes an effort to reduce the amount of wastage that is sent to landfills. So these are the today in our list of top 10 cleanest cities in the world. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share, and subscribe our channel for daily interesting videos.
InfoAir World. Worldwide information.